What's going on, RC enthusiasts? This is just a follow-up video to my updated center axle install. So I'm going to show you now little tips and tricks of how to get it on here, because I know some people don't know how to get these on there and say, hey, these are not a direct fit. My output shafts on my motor over here, since they're knurled, has widened the diameter of that shaft. So this is how I do it to get metal drive shafts to fit back on there. I'll go ahead and get into that right now. First off, you want to disconnect both drive shafts that go to your motor. As you can see on the rear, I've already done it. Not sure if that's focusing on there. Yeah, you see I actually have a flat spot filed into it. And I'll show you how I was able to get this drive shaft on there right now. So you will need to power up your truck. This obviously only works if you have the transmission already installed with the ESC and everything ready to go. So there you go, I've got my truck powered up. Nothing connected to the motor, as you can see. Now let me see if I can bring this closer so you can get a more detailed look at what I'm trying to do here. Now all you need to do is get yourself some pliers like this. You know, preferably something you don't like, you're not going to use anymore. And all I do is I grab that output shaft with this pliers, and I gas it slowly while giving a little bit of pressure. You know, a little like clamping onto it a little bit while running it. Not too hard, you want to overheat the motor. You don't need that much. The metal is really, really soft. See, as you can tell, I've already got rid of most of the knurling on there. So I just do that until I get rid of the knurling. There you go, it looks like I should have most of it off there. Now you're going to test it once in a while so you don't overdo it. Just grab one of your shafts and fit it on there. You can see we're almost there. It's almost about to slip in right there. Just a little bit more. Before you do it yourself, for guys that don't have all the proper tools, you know, you gotta make with what you have and try to get these to work. So there you go. As you can tell, that shaft has already fit in there. Now I have had some success just putting a grub screw in there and tightening it the way it is without putting a flat spot, but it is a lot more reliable if you actually put a flat spot on here. So what I actually do is I get a little Dremel bit and whatever and just create a flat spot here, or you can use a little file and just, you know, file down one side a little bit until you have a nice flat spot. This metal is soft, so it's not too hard to do it to. And you'll go ahead and get that on there. Same deal for getting the drive shafts onto these ends. That's all I do. I just grab it with these things. And I just, you know, spin the wheels around until I strip most of that off. It is tedious, but once you do that, it will get your drive shafts on there. So yeah, that's a little tip on how to get that on there. And now for the actual installation of this. This actually goes with a WPL logo facing the back, and it replaces that right there, like so. So all you would need to do is you would need to unscrew these screws right here, and that would drop this axle out of the way. And then you just go ahead and plop this in there, like so. Obviously with this part towards the top of the truck. So there you go. This rear end right here has been moved. This bell housing has been moved from this side to this side. All I did was flip it like this and move these two, the ring and pinion, the pinion gear on this side and the cover on that side. Attach the drive shaft to this and through there. And that's pretty much fully installed right there. That's how it looks like. Alright, well hopefully that helped you guys out, man. Thought I'd put it out there because I don't see anybody explaining to people how those go on, so hopefully that helped you out. If it didn't, go ahead and leave a comment down there if you need more assistance, and let me know if I can do anything else to help you, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, you guys have a great day. Go have some fun. Thanks for watching. Go run that RC.